Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 Subaru Outback, stock reference number 5711. This shape runs from the first month 2021 and is the current shape. It has an FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left headlight, left guard has no damage, left power door mirror, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. The front door has 3 small dents. We have the right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has no damage, right front door has 2 small dents, right power door mirror, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's got a bit of black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio, phone and paddle shift.